Good morning! So today's song is going to be Hickory, Dickory, Dock, which is why I'm dressed as a mouse. So in this song we actually have a clock. So I've got a clock here to help us just before we start. Can you all see it? That's it. Okay, so as you can see on our clock and on all clocks we have numbers going all the way around. We start at number 1 and it goes all the way around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and then 12 is at the top. Okay, so in this song it talks about 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, and those are times that you might have heard grown-ups saying, and that's how we tell the time, by reading a clock. Okay, so if we want to make it 1 o'clock, I'm going to move, these are called the hands. So we've got a small hand and a big hand, okay? So the small hand is going to point to the 1, and the big hand, when we say an o'clock time, the big hand points straight up to the top like that, okay? Straight up to the top. So that would be 1 o'clock. So if we want to make 2 o'clock, again, we're going to move the small hand onto the 2, and this would be, oh, this is the trouble with homemade things, they're not very reliable. So, and that would be 2 o'clock. Okay, let's see if we can do 3 o'clock. So again, I'm going to move the small hand round to the 3, but this big hand stays pointing upwards to the top and stays on the 12. There we go, that's 3 o'clock. And then if we want to move it, so an hour later, it wouldn't be 3 o'clock anymore. What's the next number going to be? 4 o'clock. We're going to move it round again, the small hand, and now it'll be 4 o'clock. Okay, so there you go. That's a little starter on telling the time. So when you are listening to this song, you can look at what time the clock is saying. There'll be some numbers up on the screen to help you as well.
Hickory, dickory, dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, tick-tock, tick-tock, hickory, dickory, dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 2. And down he flew. Hickory, dickory, tick-tock, tick-tock, tickory, tickory, tock. The mouse ran up the clock struck 3. And he did flee. Hickory, dickory, tick-tock, tick-tock, tickory, tickory, tock. The mouse ran up the clock struck 4. He hit the floor. Hickory, dickory, tick-tock, tick-tock, tickory, tickory, tick.